Imagine stepping back over 60 years into a time when off-road adventure was raw, rugged, and untamed, and then finding a vehicle that not only survived that era but still dominates today. This isn't just any classic SUV. This is the 1963 International Scout 80, a true American legend that blends vintage style, unstoppable 4x4 capability, and mechanical genius all in one iconic package. Stay with me, because you're about to witness a classic that doesn't just turn heads, it rewrites what it means to be timeless. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button, because today we're diving into a true piece of American automotive history, the legendary 1963 International Scout 80. Now, this isn't just any old Scout. This is a meticulously preserved classic that embodies rugged style, timeless design, and raw off-road capability that has stood the test of over half a century. If you're a fan of classic 4x4s, rare finds, or vehicles that combine pure nostalgia with mechanical simplicity, you're going to want to stick around for this one. The International Scout 80 was introduced in the early 1960s by International Harvester, a company better known for its agricultural machinery. But they didn't just want to make tractors, they wanted to create an American competitor to the Jeep, something versatile, durable, and capable of handling both city streets and backcountry trails with ease. By 1963, the Scout 80 had already developed a reputation as one of the most reliable early SUVs, long before the term SUV even existed. This particular model we're looking at today is a true gem. Every line, every panel, every detail screams authenticity, originality, and respect for classic design. Let's talk aesthetics, because right out of the gate, the Scout 80 grabs your attention. Its boxy, purposeful design is iconic, pure utilitarian elegance. The flat windshield, simple yet commanding grille, and round headlamps all scream vintage Americana. What's remarkable is how it manages to look both rugged and refined at the same time. The body panels are straight as an arrow, showing no signs of the rust or deterioration you often see on vehicles from this era. The paintwork is beautifully preserved, a glossy finish that highlights the Scout's clean, angular lines without overdoing it. This isn't just a show truck, it's a survivor that has maintained its character for over 60 years. Stepping closer, you notice the compact proportions. This was a small SUV by modern standards, yet it packs an incredible presence. The wheel arches are pronounced, hinting at the off-road capabilities underneath. It's sitting on correct steel wheels with vintage hubcaps, and those classic all-terrain tires are ready for both pavement and dirt. And then there's the iconic removable hardtop, a feature that makes the Scout 80 feel like a convertible FSUV hybrid. Imagine driving down a country road on a crisp morning, wind in your hair, feeling like you've just stepped back into the 1960s. That's the charm of a Scout 80. It's simple, raw, and immensely enjoyable to drive. Open the doors, and you're immediately hit with nostalgia. The interior is modest, functional, and perfectly preserved. We're talking about original bench seats, the classic 2-spoke steering wheel, and a dashboard stripped of any unnecessary complexity. Every knob, every lever, and every gauge is designed with a purpose, reflecting International Harvester's philosophy. Durability first. This isn't a luxury SUV with soft touch plastics or digital displays. This is a machine built for real work, real adventure, and real enjoyment. Yet, despite its simplicity, the interior exudes a certain charm and authenticity that you just don't get in modern vehicles. The original floor mats, the metal dashboard, the minimalistic controls, it's all there, a testament to functional design that has aged beautifully. Under the hood, this Scout 80 continues to impress. While many Scout 80s came with a 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder engine, this particular example has been lovingly maintained to ensure it runs as well as it did on day one. The engine bay is clean, orderly, and completely serviceable. You can tell every component has been cared for, from the carburetor to the ignition system to the classic International Harvester blue engine paint. This is a vehicle that could be driven anywhere at all, with confidence. The drivetrain is simple, robust, and built to handle both daily driving and off-road excursions. Paired with a manual transmission, it gives the driver complete control, and that mechanical connection is something you just don't get with modern SUVs. And speaking of off-road capability, the Scout 80 is a legend. Short wheelbase, solid axles, leaf springs. This is a vehicle that was born to explore rugged terrain, trails, mud, rocky hills, or sand. It doesn't care. This is the kind of vehicle that inspires confidence in anyone sitting behind the wheel. Today, many modern off-road vehicles rely on electronics, sensors, and complicated four-wheel drive systems, but the Scout 80 does it the old-fashioned way: brute force, simplicity, and mechanical genius. You can literally feel the history in every turn of the wheel and every flex of the suspension. Another thing that stands out about this Scout 80 is its rarity. While the International Scout is now celebrated among collectors, models from the early 1960s, especially ones in this condition, are incredibly hard to find. Many were used, abused, and eventually lost to time. Finding one that still retains its originality, its charm, and its mechanical integrity is nothing short of remarkable. This is the kind of vehicle that, when restored or maintained correctly, only increases in value with each passing year. It's a true investment in classic American automotive heritage. Driving the Scout 80 is an experience unlike any modern SUV. There's a rawness to it, a sense that you are connected to the road, the environment, and the history of the vehicle itself. You can hear every shift, feel every bump, and sense the mechanical heartbeat of a machine designed to endure. And yet, despite its ruggedness, it's incredibly comfortable in its own vintage way. The steering is precise enough for city driving, the suspension absorbs rough surfaces admirably, and the seating keeps you secure and engaged. This balance between durability and drivability is one of the many reasons the Scout 80 has such a loyal following today. But what truly sets this vehicle apart is its character. This isn't a car you just look at, you experience it. Every scratch, every patina, every original component tells a story of adventure, of exploration, and of the golden era of American off-roading. Sitting in the driver's seat, you can almost imagine the countless families, farmers, and adventurers who relied on these vehicles for their daily lives. And yet, even with all that history, this Scout 80 feels as relevant today as it did over 60 years ago. So if you're a fan of classic vehicles, of rugged American engineering, or of cars that tell a story, the 1963 International Scout 80 is an absolute must-see. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a symbol of an era, a testament to thoughtful engineering, and a rolling piece of history. Owning one isn't just about driving a car, it's about joining a legacy, experiencing a lifestyle, and appreciating craftsmanship that has truly stood the test of time. And that's it for today's deep dive into this remarkable 1963 International Scout 80. I hope you enjoyed this tour, felt the history, and got a sense of why this vehicle continues to capture the hearts of enthusiasts and collectors around the world. Remember, if you love classic cars, rare finds, and automotive stories that inspire, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss the incredible vehicles we'll be exploring next. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep appreciating the classics, stay passionate about cars, and as always, drive with pride and purpose.